Hello, welcome to Intellify, Chemical Reactions and Equations. Oil and fat containing food items are flushed with nitrogen. Why? In this video, we are going to discuss why oil and fat containing food items are flushed with nitrogen and the various chemical changes that happen in this process. What happens to the oil and fat containing food before it is flushed with nitrogen? Oil and fat containing food items, when left out in the open, get oxidized due to the presence of air. This leads to rancidity. Rancidity means the natural decomposition of fats or oils by oxidation. Rancidity leads to a very foul smell, and that's why it is prevented from happening. For your better understanding, oil and fat molecules are prone to oxidization because under the influence of the atmospheric oxygen, most lipids break down and form several other compounds. Since oxygen is 8 times more soluble in fats than in water, this process is much faster, thus leading to rancidity. So why nitrogen? Nitrogen is an inert gas, needs a huge amount of energy to break the triple bond between the dinitrogen molecules, that is N2. It is an unreactive gas at room temperature. It neither acts with the oxygen nor with the fats and oils. This allows the nitrogen to act as an antioxidant. So, what finally happens after N2 is flushed in the oil and fat containing foods? When nitrogen is flushed, it prevents the oxygen from reacting with the oil and fat containing food items and thus stops rancidity. Therefore, oil and fat containing foods are flushed with nitrogen. I hope this video helps you understand the concept better and clear any doubts that you had. Please stay tuned for more such educational videos on this channel. For more such videos, please do subscribe to our channel Learn with Intellify. Thanks for watching.